everybody. Sorry, I'm like really sick, but welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the pixie coat. The pixie coat from Zaful, if I forgot to mention. And I've been really wanting this coat for a while now, and I really wanted the IMGO one, but the IMGO one was like $137 or so, and I was like, no, that's way too much for me and I can't. So then I was like, okay, so I was on my Instagram and I was just like scrolling, and then this like sponsored ad came up, and it was like Zaful like pixie coat, like the teddy bear coats, and I was like, okay, let me just give this a try.
A few moments later.
And then I ended up getting it. I have the brown one and the black one, and it came within about a week. And this has been sitting in my room for about 2 weeks now, and I haven't opened it because I really wanted to do this video. So let's just get straight into it. I talk a lot, I know. Let's open the black one first. So yeah, this is how it comes. Came in about a week. So this is the black one. And, oh, this is really pretty. It comes with like a little like bag like this, and then it's like Ziplocs, okay? It's like a Ziploc bag. Okay, so the black one, for some reason, I don't know if it picks up on the color. It comes off more gray than black. I don't know if they gave me the wrong one, but it comes off more gray. I don't think you guys can see it on the camera, but I thought it was gonna be black. Like I wanted a black one, but this one comes off more gray, but just opens it. The zipper's fine. It has a nice lining. Yeah, it has the tag here. It's very cute. I really like these jackets. I already have a pink one from a Forever 21. I just want like a bunch of these because they're so cozy, but the fur isn't as soft as the Forever 21 one or the IMGO one, because my friend has the IMGO one, so I know how it feels. It's not soft. The material isn't like teddy bear soft. So now I'm going to be opening the brown one for you guys. This is the brown one. So this is the brown one. Okay, this one is the color that it was online. It is a very nice brown one. Again, it's not as soft. And this is the inside. It came within a week, and again, it has a silk lining. So I'm 5'7". I'm just gonna try this on because I was really scared that like the sizes were gonna be small. I actually do prefer if this was a little bigger, because I feel like it does look a little small. Like I like oversized stuff. Like I love wearing oversized stuff. So I don't know if this is big enough for me, especially because I'm so tall. I feel like for my sister it would look nice because my sister's like 5'4" or 5'3". But I don't know. I'm gonna try them on and then I'll show you guys the clip. So it's pretty nice. I wish it was a little bit longer. I don't know if you guys can see, but I wish it was a little bit longer. But on the arms, I feel like it's a little short. As you can tell, like it's a little bit short. I wish it was like longer. Like I like oversized stuff, but overall it looks pretty good. I never really, like can I say, like I didn't expect it to be this good, to be honest. Like I don't know why, because I was like $24 and I was like, let's just see. But it's actually really good. It's actually warm. It does shed a little, like a little bit onto like my pants. It's shedding a little. Okay, so I'm not gonna be showing you guys the black one. So the black one, I mean the grayish black one. Ooh, I think I like this one better because it is longer. It feels like it's a bit longer, and the arms are longer. Ooh, I didn't even realize that, but the arms are a little bit longer, even though they're both a large. I'll link everything down in the description box if you guys want to go buy it. But yeah, I feel like it's really nice. I actually like this one better. I feel like it is bigger. It has more of that oversized look than the other one. So I definitely like the black one better, a lot better. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also tell me what you guys think about these, if you guys like them, if you guys don't. Tell me if you guys are gonna purchase it, and I'll see you guys all in my next YouTube video. Bye.
Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better.